Windows 10 KB5026361 release with improvements. Windows 10 KB5026361 is now heading to devices in the production channel with many bug fixes. This is a mandatory patch Tuesday update and it is rolling out via Windows Update, or you can also download the .msu package. Microsoft has published direct download links for Windows 10 KB5026361 offline installers. Windows 10 KB5026361 is a mandatory security update, which means it will download and install automatically at one point. You won't be able to pause and delay updates for over a month. It is worth nothing that this is a security update, which means it won't change the OS dramatically. However, there are several quality improvements. For example, Microsoft is introducing a new feature that lets you change your Microsoft account display language or regional language directly from settings. In addition to this tweak, several bug fixes are included in the update too. For example, Microsoft has faced an issue that broke Edge IT mode. A bug where the news and interest feature of Windows 10 does not work has been resolved in the update. As mentioned at the outset, Windows 10 May 2023 update is rolling out via Windows Update. Like every other update, you can download it by heading to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button on the Windows Update page. If you are on Windows 11, you will get KB5026362 with identical bug fixes but several noticeable differences. On Windows 10, you will see the following updates when you check for updates today. 2023-05 cumulative update for Windows 10 version 22S2 for x64 based system KB5026361. 2023-05 cumulative update for Windows 10 version 21S2 for x64 based system KB5026361. KB5026361 build 19045.2965 full changelog. Among the key update, the company has changed firewall settings, allowing user to configure application group rules for better security. The update also addressed an issue with password expiration notice sent to user inappropriately, particularly in cases where smart card is required for interactive logon is enabled. Another problem resolved is the local security authorities subsystem service SASS process stopping unexpectedly, causing system restarts. The May 2023 update also deals with an issue affecting protected content display when using taskbar, thumbnail, live preview and provisioning package failing to apply under certain circumstances requiring elevation. Furthermore, the update resolves a printing issue experienced by mobile device management (MDM) customers caused by an exception. The update also tackles problems with signing into Windows Hello for Business using a pin keyboard layout, resetting to the system default in certain console session, and the Microsoft Edge Web View 2 causing in the infinite loop during process restarts. Other fixes include addressing issues with the Unified Writer Filter UWF, the Resilient File System REFS, MySQL commands on Windows, Exxon containers, assembly diagram on system with multi-byte character sets, apps using DirectX and older Intel graphic drivers, and the local administrator password solution LAPS.